Good evening, Chem Kids. I'm going to show you how to do a liter problem using 22.4 liters at STP, and then I'm going to show you how to do the shortcut. First, we're going to give you an equation for every problem. H2 plus O2 goes to H2O. And we're going to balance it by putting a 2 in front of the water and a 2 in front of the hydrogen. We're going to be starting with 5 liters of oxygen, and they're going to ask us, they want to know how many liters of water we can make from that. So this is a liter problem, volume, because the data that they gave us is in liters and they want the answer in liters. The traditional way of doing this is that we are going to convert liters to moles. At STP, we know from the previous chapter that 1 mole of any gas at STP takes up 22.4 liters of volume. Once we're in mole, then we're going to multiply by the molar ratio between oxygen and water, which is 1 to 2. And the water moles are going to go on top so that the hydrogen moles can go on the bottom. The oxygen moles can go on the bottom to cancel. And then we're going to finish off the problem by turning moles of water back into liters of water using 22.4 liters of water. Notice that the moles of water cancel and our final answer is going to be in liters of water. The nice thing that happens here is that the 22.4s also cancel. So basically you're left with the 5 times the 2 to 2 sig figs, and that is 10 with a point liters of water. Now, the shortcut. The shortcut is when you have a volume to volume problem, meaning liters to liters, then that is the only kind of stoichiometric problem that has a possible shortcut because of the 22.4s being on the numerator and the denominator part of the fractions and canceling out. When you notice that it's a liter problem, you start off with your given 5 liters of oxygen, and the key here is to remember that in a volume problem, the molar ratio, which is 2 to 1, 2 moles to 1 mole, becomes the volume ratio, which is 2 liters to 1 liter of oxygen. So once again, instead of the word mole here, we have the unit liter. So the molar ratio becomes the liter ratio. And this problem, the shortcut is that it's just 5 times 2 over 1, or 10 liters of water, and you are finished. Remember, there is a special shortcut for volume problems. You don't have to take the shortcut. You could do it this way, which is the traditional way, by realizing that 1 mole of any gas takes up 1 mole of any gas at STP takes up 22.4 liters of volume. But the shortcut comes because the 22.4 shows itself as a numerator and a denominator in the equation, and therefore, or in the expression rather, and therefore cancels out, leading you to this nice little shortcut way of calculating volume problems.